Hi, I'm Marzena and Friendly Food Club.
And we're gonna do some cooking.
We will be doing Lazanki today. It's Polish recipe. Will keep you nice and warm in the rainy weather like we have today. And what we have to do first, Daniel?
Before we start, we have to wash our hands and put our aprons on because we might get messy.
That's it, guys.
To make it, we need pasta, cabbage, sausage, bacon, onion, butter, pepper, caraway, salt, sour cream, chives, dill.
We can use fresh cabbage or we can use sauerkraut. In my home, for example, we've been using sauerkraut and my grandmother just did it like that. But we can use, and we will use today, some fresh cabbage, so that will give us extra color on our dish. And we need some sausage. We use today our Polish sausage, but you can use any sausage you like. You can use dry sausage like cabanos. You can use some chorizo even. It will give extra flavor to our dish as well. So I would recommend, if you have any Polish shop around the corner, I would recommend to buy some nice garlic sausage like krakowska or some toruńska sausage, just anything you like really, śląska. Just keep it simple, guys, and that will work out. First of all, we need to take our cabbage, quarter it, slice it, and put it to the steamer.
Put your pasta in the pan of boiling water.
And take your cabbage in steamer and put it on the top of this pan so it can cook together.
Cook the pasta about for 8 to 10 minutes.
Drain it and put it aside. Chop onion and bacon and fry it till it's softened in vegetable oil and some butter. Add your cabbage to your pan with bacon and onion and mix it all together. Add a few spoons of water and cook it for about 5 minutes, but very important, on the low heat, please.
Next, chop the sausage into pieces like a 1 pound corn. Add pasta and sausage and cook it for 10 minutes. Take it from the pan and serve it on the plate with a big splash of sour cream with dill. Yummy, 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 yummy. Enjoy cooking and eating your Lazanki.
When you will make it, please send us your photos on the Friendly Food Club Facebook page, please. And just let us know how you like it. And enjoy, guys, it smells delicious here.
Happy cooking, everyone!
And see you next time when we will cook for you more of the tasty Polish dishes. Enjoy!